Welcome! If Instagram notifications are constantly interrupting your work or focus, there's a quick way to silence them for a few hours without turning everything off permanently. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to mute Instagram notifications for 8 hours using the latest update on the PC app. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your computer. Once it loads, look down to the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see the 3-line menu icon there. Click on it to open the main menu options. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you into your account settings where you can control everything from privacy to notifications. Now, inside Settings, find and click on Notifications. This is where Instagram lets you customize how and when you receive alerts. Next, click on Push Notifications. This section controls real-time alerts like messages, likes, comments, and more. At the top of the Push Notifications page, you'll see an option called Pause All. Turn this option on. As soon as you enable it, Instagram will give you a few time choices for how long you want notifications to be muted. Go ahead and select 8 hours.